everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a water bottle holder. The supplies you'll need are scissors, an empty plastic water bottle. As you can see, I peeled the label off, and optional stickers. First, you cut the bottle like this. If you're using scissors, please be very careful with them because you can really cut yourself. Just like that. This part is optional, but you don't have to do it if you don't want to. As you can see, I'm going to put some stickers on to make it look more interesting. Just like that. Again, you don't have to put stickers on your water bottle if you don't want to. Okay, here is the final product. You can also use it as a flower pot too. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.